Hi all, welcome to my YouTube channel. In the last video, we have seen how to enable the developer tab in Excel. However, if you have missed it, let me show you how to do it again. In today's video, we'll see what is the difference between user forms and modules. A user form is a custom built dialog box that makes data entry easy for the user. For example, if you have a scenario wherein you want user to log in successfully before performing any other task. However, if you just want to automate the task without any sort of interaction from the user, then you can use module. When you go to the VBA editor, however, you can see class module too, along with the user form and modules. However, class module is not that much important. Thanks for watching this video.